here today, 3 agile coaches from ProAgile. It's Lisa.
Hi.
And me, Björn, and shortly we will have Jesper here. Well,
hi.
There you are. So today we will talk about liberating structures. What is that about, Lisa? Please tell us.
Well, that's right. Liberating structures are 33 different structures that you could use to facilitate meetings in a more fun and engaging, involving way. Okay, and today we're going to try out one of these called Troika Consulting. And this exercise is all about getting practical and imaginative help from colleagues immediately. And you are 3 people involved, 1 client and 2 consultants. When you do this, it starts with the client sharing its challenge. After that, the consultants get a chance to ask clarifying questions. After that, the client turns his or her back towards the consultants, and they get a chance to discuss and come up with suggestions and ideas. And after that, the client turns back and feedbacks on what great ideas and things that they picked up from the conversation. And after that, you take turns.
All right.
Let's do it.
Sounds fun. Let's try it. Let's go.
Okay.
So.
We invite Jesper.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, so I'm going to be the client, and these 2 people will be the consultants.
Nice.
Okay.
So, welcome.
Thanks.
Please tell us, Lisa, what is your challenge?
Well, I'm sort of a new leader right now, and I hear a lot about agile leadership. So I'm a bit struggling with what is that?
Please tell us a little bit more.
I think that I'm supposed to act in a certain way, but I could use some input on what is the difference from the old type of leadership, if you will, and this new type of agile leadership that people talk a lot about.
All right, and anything else you need to know, Jesper, before we go ahead?
No, I think that's good. Let's start and see what happens.
Yeah, let's go. So,
okay.
Yeah, turn around.
So, yeah.
What did you hear, Björn? What do you think?
So, I heard that Lisa is talking about she has some traditional experience and now she's moving in a new way in her career. And I don't know exactly what she has on her mind, but maybe you have some ideas from your career.
Yeah, to me, the agile leadership is very much about serving, helping others instead of directing others.
Right.
I will ask questions and tell them, what about if you can do this and what happens there? Asking questions. That's very much what the leadership is about.
Yeah.
To me.
Yes. Yeah, I agree. Yeah, I agree. I agree. It's a. So it's more and more that the teams can do things themselves, and if I'm a leader close to this team, I come and just ask the team, how are you doing? What's stopping you? What would make your life easier and better? How could you, move forward in a better, easier way? Anything any problem I can remove for you, or help you out with.
Yeah, that's great. One other thing that I'm thinking about is that as a leader, you have to tell the direction. Where are we heading now? So the team can do this all self-organizing, their autonomy, that they are going to have more power of where they are going and this. But they need to know in a direction. They need to have a goal or something like that. That's what I've picked up about agile leadership, that we need to tell them where are we heading now. Otherwise it might be chaos if they try to run in any direction.
So,
what do you think about that?
Yeah, so more oriented in terms of clarifying goals and so on. Is that what you're saying, Jesper?
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah.
Finding the goals, setting the expectations, giving the boundaries. What are you allowed to do? What are you not allowed to do? And together with the teams, all the things that you're delegating your power towards.
All right.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yeah. Excellent. Normally we would probably have been going further with this consulting, but now we're on a short video, so shall we invite Lisa back?
Yes, welcome back.
Yeah.
Well, thank you very much. I actually picked up a lot of useful stuff, so thank you very much.
What did you pick up?
Well, this thing about more asking questions, how can I help, setting the direction, setting the goals, setting the boundaries also, and in dialogue with the team, move forward.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, and if someone is more interested in more of them about this agile leadership, what should they do then?
Well, for example, ProAgiles has a training called
Agile leadership, a 2-day course, yes, that's true.
That's
one way of doing it.
And if you're interested in liberating structures, we have the PSM2 class. Right?
Yeah. Good.
All right. Thanks.
Okay.
Glad we could help.
Yeah, thank you very much.
Good luck.
Bye.
If you were to be coached, what topics would you choose? Grab a couple of colleagues and try out Troika Consulting. Share your results in the comment section down below. If you want to learn more about the courses mentioned in the video, please check the links in the description. Please subscribe and welcome back tomorrow for more videos from the Agile Advent Calendar.